My name is Bart Coppens and this YouTube channel is actively involved in butterfly conservation. I just came back home to the Netherlands after spending 7 weeks in the country of Brazil. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, all of the butterflies that you see in this video were filmed by me personally in the wild in the country of Brazil. And Brazil is an amazing country with an amazing biodiversity, but it has one major problem: deforestation. I personally came to the Atlantic Rainforest in the south of Brazil, which is one of the world's most deforested rainforests. 85% of the Atlantic Rainforest was also already destroyed and deforested, unfortunately. I, however, have collaborated with a natural reserve here that is stopping the deforestation. It is called REGUA, Reserva Ecológica de Guapiaçu, and I spent 7 weeks in Brazil collaborating with this natural reserve. What we do at REGUA is reforestation. We even have a tree nursery to grow new trees, and REGUA buys up land that is deforested, such as farmland, and reforest it by planting trees, restoring the Atlantic Rainforest to its former glory. There's over 1,000 species of butterflies and moths here, some of which are threatened by extinction. And I also came to Brazil to study these animals and actively contribute to the conservation of butterflies and moths. This YouTube channel supports the conservation of butterflies and moths, and the more people watch my videos, the better of an impact we make. REGUA also helps develop books and websites that spreads the knowledge about butterflies. Hey, I have a book here, and as you can see it has the REGUA logo on it, because this is a REGUA publication. It is a guide to the butterflies of the Serra dos Orgãos, southeastern Brazil. And if we take a look inside, you can just see some of the many species of butterfly that can be found here. Wow, is that not incredible? And what's even more incredible is that REGUA sponsors and supports the publication of books like these. REGUA also accepts tourists, by the way, so if you're watching this video and you would like to visit this natural reserve, it's entirely possible. There's even tourist accommodations, and all the money they make from tourists visiting is used for reforestation and conservation of the wildlife in REGUA. Last but not least, I joined REGUA in an awesome collaboration, and I will be contributing my knowledge to support and protect local species of endangered insects, and also develop educational tools and YouTube videos about them, so people on social media can learn about these awesome animals that need our protection. Last but not least, my YouTube channel is entirely and completely demonetized by YouTube. When I upload a video, I don't make a single cent, not a single dollar. However, my entire trip to Brazil, including the flight tickets, the food, and even my residence there, was paid for by my fans. And I'm not saying this to brag and say, aha, I'm Bart Coppens and I have a vacation paid for by my YouTube fans. No, because my YouTube channel is demonetized and I require for 100% on donations and crowdfunding to continue my work. If you like the show and if you like to see these tropical butterflies and want to learn more about them, consider tipping and donating to my channel. There are several ways you can do it. For as little as $1 a month, you can buy a subscription to my YouTube channel on Patreon. Otherwise, it's possible to send donations and money via PayPal, Ko-Fi, and many other ways as well. Now, of course, this message is only for those who are willing and able to. I understand not everybody can donate to a YouTuber. The times are difficult, there's a pandemic and a war and an economic recession. Help yourself before you help others. I am not entitled to anything, and it doesn't make you any less of a viewer if you don't. But if you are willing and able to, and you really enjoy my show and my content, tipping and donating to my YouTube channel is essential for its survival. I cannot continue my work and I cannot continue this YouTube channel if people do not help me out. And in fact, this video in Brazil is only possible because of donations. The flight tickets and the price of staying in Brazil for 7 weeks I am not able to afford myself. It's only because of my fans that this collaboration with REGUA happened. It's only because of my fans that we can do butterfly and moth conservation, reforestation, and collaborate with a natural reserve that supports the environment. Fantastic! My channel is making an impact, spreading awareness for animals, helping develop books and websites, writing articles, me doing research when it comes to entomology and the faunistics of insects in Brazil. It's a win-win situation. If you like the show, consider tipping and donating, and subscribe because I'm preparing so many more videos about awesome wildlife in the country of Brazil, where I spent 7 weeks. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye! I care about butterflies. This forest fragment right here is actually very important for the conservation of butterflies. So I am glad. What a timing! Is this for real? Well, like I said, this particular area is important for the conservation of butterflies. Something that I care about. Yeah, I think this butterfly here kind of agrees with my sentiment, eh? Yo, buddy? Okay, sure. Man, you caught me off guard, yo. Oh, it's a beauty. It's a Marpacia species, eh? Oh, there it goes. Bye, friend. I said bye, friend. Or should I say welcome back? Man, this butterfly is not giving up, is it? Believe it or not, but this is a butterfly getting ready to sleep. Aha! Stay put, buddy. What a miraculous creature, huh?